What is up, YouTubers? So I'm on my roof right now, actually, for the fireworks. I have the chair and then the pool. Oh crap, I'm with my dad. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What did you say?
Oh crap. And then we're gonna get the fireworks and where I have my drink.
Want to come up? You good?
Got my zinc.
Okay.
0 water. Oh yeah, it's pretty high up.
One
That scares
shot.
me. That scares me how
But
you
yeah,
walk
and
like
then
that.
I have been on roofs for a long time.
That's why you can have a chair on there.
Well, I can have a chair because I'm old.
Still, like, you might fall.
That's why I can have a chair. Because I know how to sit
No,
in it.
it's because, like, look at this. Like, you might fall down and then go down the roof.
Nah.
Not this one?
Nope, not gonna happen.
You pinky promise?
Yep.
That I'm not gonna fall at all, and I'm never gonna get hurt.
You? Well, I can promise you won't fall, but I can promise I won't fall. You gotta sit still. I mean, you can't be running around up here.
I don't want to. It's nice though. It's nice, and then the
It's
skies.
beautiful. I love coming up here.
Ooh, it's colder.
It scares
down
me
up
to
here.
look up, like look straight up.
How?
It's kind of like being at the top of a roller coaster and looking straight up.
That's scary.
Yeah.
Or like a drop. Ugh.
Oh, it's really windy.
I know it's really windy.
That's okay.
I'm gonna go to that lightning thing spot.
What?
Uh,
What are you doing?
The thing that has the little.
No, just sit here. You're fine. You're not going to slide down the roof. The shingle will stop you from sliding.
What's that mean?
This is called a shingle. It's made out of asphalt.
So it'll stop you from falling?
Oh, yeah.
So you can stand up on the side and not fall?
Yeah.
Well, you could roll over, except that's like a dumb move.
Like this. This is a nice roof to walk, too. Like, the addition that we have there, that's a steeper pitch. That's a little harder to walk there. But this is pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's scary
I could work on one like this. And most of these roofs around here, I have worked on. A lot of these here in the neighborhood. But I've been up on their roof. I put in a new chimney cap for them on the one.
My 0 orange flavored water. This is healthier than both of you guys have. We got the Romeoville sign. Oh, you can't see it because it's night out. And fireworks start in like 9 minutes. Well, that was from then.
It's really, really scary up here.
9:25, so we got 5 minutes.
To kill by in the dark on a roof.
I should go get my phone and post this on Snapchat.
You should. Or on your YouTube channel.
No.
Okay.
Give me a shout out,
It's
dude.
different. What?
Give me a shout out.
When you start vlogging and you start making videos? Or right now?
I have a channel right now.
Or right now?
Right now. Give me a shout out.
What's your name?
Muddy Biscuits.
Sure.
Yes.
Shout out to Muddy Biscuits.
That's not my real name. Or just wanted to say.
Okay, so he's my camera guy and he has his own YouTube channel. Wait, is it your name or is it
I just wanted to say Muddy Biscuits.
or was it XX the thing?
Yeah, it's XX. Muddy Biscuits. XX.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's XX. Shout out to XX Muddy Biscuits XX. That's the stupidest name you can ever have. Okay, well, alright. Just give you a good nighttime view of this car's going. What?
That's probably George right there.
No, it's not George.
Okay, well.
Somebody pulling over to send a text message, probably.
And then Dawn's down there. I gotta admit, it is pretty scary. Oh, you got the pool there. We're pretty high up. How steep would you say this is? Like,
This is a 412 pitch.
steep.
So for every 12 inches, it goes up 4 inches.
That's steep.
So you go 12 inches this way, and it goes up 4 inches.
It's
12
really,
inches
really
this
scary.
way, 4 inches that way.
Oh.
Yep.
Have you ever been like literally sitting in between your legs on that part? That would be really scary.
No,
Yeah.
never gotten up there. There's no reason to really. I mean, somebody had to do it so that they could put the shingles on
Who?
it. The guy who built it, the person who lived here before us.
Who? Oh no, we so it's like a new house, I guess, basically, because we remodeled the inside.
Everything except for the bathroom and the living room over there has been remodeled.
The bathroom and the living room.
Yeah, but this was 9 years ago.
No. Oh yeah. It was 9 years ago.
It's 10 years ago.
Because I'm 10.
Yep.
I was born here. Oh. I love this place. This is my second time being on the roof, by the way. And it
Really?
is
That's
pretty.
it?
Yeah, it's only been my second time. Why do you think I'm scared right now?
You've been talking about it all day.
Because I was been excited.
Excited and now you're scared?
I'm not technically scared. I'm just.
Scared
I'm
right now?
scared.
Yeah. It is. I gotta admit, like a little scary.
He's not gonna look up
Oh crap! That's scary.
or down.
Why not down? Dad, what are you doing? Oh, you what? Okay, good. I gotta pee. Just kidding. Okay, good. Yeah, this is definitely way healthier than your guys' drinks.
So you know where the fireworks are going to be?
Right over there,
They're probably right through those trees
so we can't see them.
where there's that dip in the tree. No, they'll be up high enough.
Oh, except the ground ones we're not going to be there for.
Yeah. But like Mickey was saying, oh, you guys were playing, you didn't hear him. But even if you're over there, it's really hard to see the ones that are low. We did good that one year where we drove up there at the last minute. And you boys were sitting on the top of that Hyundai we had.
Oh,
Do you remember that?
Oh,
We were in that Vito Martinez parking lot.
I remember that.
We got there at the last minute before they started going off.
We got lucky.
And, yeah.
what time does it start?
That's right now. That's it.
The pole's in the way. Dang
Yeah,
it,
I
pole.
know.
I hate you, pole.
Used to be better when that light wasn't there.
Remember that when that light was out?
Yeah. Well, they didn't always have that there.
Is it better for you to look to see them?
No, it's no different for me than it is for you.
Guys, I'm actually gonna end the video right now because I wanna do this and spend some time. So see you guys.